Welcome back, children. Welcome to e-learning mathematics classes. Today in this video, we will be doing practical geometry. So we learned about different types or parts of the practical geometry like point, line segment. Today we will learn about circle. So what is a circle? A circle is a collection of all those points in a plane whose distance from a fixed point remains constant, remains same. So, a point is there in the middle which is known as center of the circle. Distance of all other points from this center is same. So, the collection of those points is known as circle. Okay? So, here you can see I have drawn a circle and this point O is its center. Okay? This is center. This line is known as radius, this one is known as diameter, and this one is known as chord. So we will learn separately what is radius, what is diameter, what is center, what is chord. Okay? So the definition of circle, you can write it down in your classwork notebook. A circle is a collection of all those points in a plane whose distance from a fixed point remains constant. Okay? Now what is center? The fixed point in the plane, the fixed point that we talked about here in the definition, जो fixed point होता है middle में, which is equidistant. Equidistance का मतलब, equidistance means which is of equal distance. इसका distance, इस center का distance बाकी इस circle के पूरे line से, circle में जितने भी points बनाएंगे अगर हम, तो उससे equal होगा. This here also it will be same, here also it will be same. So it is equidistance from every point on the boundary of a circle is called center. Okay? So it is a fixed point in the middle of the circle. Now comes the chord. So what is chord? A line segment joining any two points on a circle is called a chord. So here you can see in the diagram, this is the line segment which is joining any two point. सर्कल के कोई भी दो पॉइंट को, बाउंड्री के दो पॉइंट को ज्वाइन करने वाली लाइन को हम कोड बोलते हैं. ओके? सो यू कैन सी हियर दिस डायमीटर इज ऑल्सो कोड. ये भी दो पॉइंट को ज्वाइन ही कर रहा है, बट रेडियस इज नॉट अ कोड बिकॉज रेडियस बाउंड्री के सिर्फ एक ही पॉइंट को ज्वाइन कर रहा है और सेंटर में टच कर रहा है. इट इज नॉट टचिंग द अदर एंड ऑफ द बाउंड्री. सो ये सिर्फ एक ही पॉइंट को टच करता है. सो दिस इज नॉट अ कोड, बट डायमीटर इज ऑल्सो कोड. ओके? This is a chord. So यहाँ पे chord, what is chord here? BC is the chord. In the chord is the chord of the given circle. ये जो circle मैंने बनाया है इसकी chord क्या है? BC. Radius, the fixed distance between the center and any point on the boundary of the circle is called radius. जो फिक्स्ड पॉइंट है दैट इज द सेंटर, वहाँ से अगर हम कोई भी लाइन ड्रॉ करें बाउंड्री में like this or anywhere, okay, it will be the radius of the circle. And the plural form of radius is radi. ये plural form है, मतलब one radius, many radi. Okay? Diameter, a chord that passes through the center of a circle. So diameter is also a chord which passes through the center. Diameter passes through the center, but chord may or may not pass through the center. Okay? But diameter is that chord which will always pass through the center. ये जो आप सर्कल बनाएंगे इसका जो सेंटर होगा वहाँ से आप कहीं से भी लाइन बना लें, but it should pass through the center. If it passes through the center, then it is the diameter of the circle. Okay? Now, what is the relation between diameter and radius? Diameter is 2 times of the radius. That means if we add 2 radius, यहाँ से लेके यहाँ तक 1 radius and from here to here then again 1 more radius. So 2 radius है, अगर हम लोग 2 radius को add करते हैं, if we add 2 radius or we multiply radius by 2, then we will get the length of the diameter. Okay? And vice versa is also true. Radius is equals to diameter by 2. अगर आपको radius निकालना है तो आप diameter को 2 से divide कर सकते हैं. Okay? So this is all about circle. We'll continue it in the next video. Thank you.